Hi, it's Natalie from Fabricland. I'm in my Bournemouth shop today and I'd like to inspire you with our cotton range. We have a huge cotton range and you can see it perfectly from our shop. This is just a couple that I've pulled out which you could probably make a skirt or a dress from. You take it away and tell them all about it, Max.
Okay, so I've pulled out a couple of patterns, a lovely pencil skirt or a lovely shift dress. Both would look gorgeous made in our cottons. We've got lots of designs. We've got this Japanese inspired poppy. We've got this lovely teapot, Hawaiian tropical print. We've got anchors, nautical, tulips.
And they would all make dresses, wouldn't it?
Yeah,
all
lovely.
Make into dresses
Floral,
and skirts.
look lovely for the summer. We've got stars. We've got this gorgeous design. We've got flowers.
Yeah, we've got here, if you turn to look at me, Mrs. Camera Person, we've got lovely denim, mock denim. And you could team that and make perhaps an illusion dress, all sorts of different ones. Have another look with the camera, Marnie, and show them what we've got. Walking swiftly away. We do a full range of gingham in case you're going to a hoedown. And more designs up here. Have you shown the pattern, Max? I hope we've inspired you because you need a little skirt or a dress in your capsule wardrobe. Say goodbye, Max.
Goodbye, Max.